Imagine waking up and discovering that all your emails are answered, your research is done, and your next day's schedule is perfectly planned, but not by a person, by your own AI agent. You've probably heard of ChatGPT or other chatbots. But an AI agent is different. It doesn't just talk to you, it actually does things for you. It can plan, make decisions, take actions online all on its own. Right now, people are using AI agents to do real work. Some use them to manage their freelance projects, others to summarize meetings and send follow-up emails. And developers use agents to write code or fix bugs automatically. This is huge. Businesses can save time and money. Students can automate boring research. And anyone can have a 24/7 helper that learns your style and improves over time. It's like hiring a virtual team for free. The risks and limits. But every powerful tool comes with risks. AI agents can make mistakes, access private data, or take unwanted actions if not controlled. That's why developers are building safety systems and why users must stay smart. The future. In a few years, you might not just use an AI agent, you might have a team of them working together. Your personal digital company. Would you trust an AI to work for you? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for the next episode, How to Create Your Own AI Agent, No Coding Needed.